This year, we built more than software. We built connections, solutions, and possibilities. At Inyxa, we built smarter ways to pick, move, inspect, and deliver, helping operations stay accurate, connected, and ready for anything. Because every movement we made started with your challenges. We launched features that give your teams complete visibility so they can simply work, accelerate decisions, and collaborate seamlessly no matter where they are. Our team was on the floor, in the aisles, and inside your processes, making sure every workflow was smoother than the last. And together, we turned complex operations into confident, predictable performances. From trade shows to your facilities, new partnerships to a growing community, we showed up, we listened, and we delivered. Behind every scan, every shipment, every success, a team committed to bringing the easy to your supply chain. Happy holidays from all of us at Inyxa.